Tech Solutions. In this video, we will learn how to connect our Tableau with MySQL database. I have installed MySQL on my laptop for my SQL practice recently, and I have started the new series of SQL for beginners on my channel. If you want to see those videos, you can find the links in the description below. So let's see how to connect Tableau with the MySQL database. So this is our Tableau. Let's connect to the MySQL from here. You can see all the server list will be listed over here if you recently try to connect to them. If this MySQL is not listed over here, you can click on the more button, and here all these are actually sorted by alphabetically order. So you can see MySQL listed here as well. So just click on that. As soon as you click, it will ask for the server name. In my case, I recently connected, that's why it's giving me the localhost because I have already installed that MySQL is installed on my local, and that's the reason my server is localhost. In your case, if your server is actually MySQL is installed on a server, make sure you ask for the server name and just give the server name over here. So my server name is localhost. Port number, you can get the port number from the database or from your database admin, or I'll show you how can you find it if you have installed it on your laptop. Then database, this is optional. Let's keep it optional because it should list us all the databases after we connect to the MySQL. Username, my user is root user. I haven't created any users. I'm just using the root user itself, and I'll give the password. So now we are good to connect. Now let me show you how to find this port number. So I'm going to minimize it and let's open the MySQL Workbench. In MySQL Workbench, you can see here this is localhost and a root user. These two things I got, and the port number is here 3306. That's why it was listing the 3306 over there. So I'm connecting here. I'll keep it open and we'll go back to the Tableau again. So here it is, localhost 3306, database is optional, we'll keep it, root user and our password. Perfect, we got connected. Localhost, MySQL, and it will list all the databases. So let's use world, and in world database we have city, country language, stores. So let's drag and drop country first and then city. Let's provide the condition, join condition. Code from country table will be joined with the country code from city table, and that's it. Let's check on sheet 1. You can see here we have country name. Let's drag and drop, and the city name within the country. Perfect. We successfully got connected to the tables in MySQL database which I installed on my laptop, and to the Tableau. And you can see here this is my SQL. Here I can, let me just use the world database, select star from country. Here we got the output, and select star from city. Simple. I'll keep it simple here. Our agenda of this video was how to connect our Tableau with MySQL database which I recently installed on my laptop for the SQL practice, and this is how we can connect our Tableau with MySQL. So that's it from this video, friends. If you want to learn SQL, please check out all the basic beginner SQL videos on my channel, and keep learning Tableau and keep supporting us. Thank you.